Well, we are back with Jesse Hoela. And Jesse, I know for everybody who was waiting for the cold air to come, this is fantastic.
It is. It is.
But there are some things that we need to.
Yeah.
I don't know what the word I was.
I know what this means. Don't worry. I know exactly what this means. Some people are probably wondering, and they do when there's a freeze, do I need to open the cabinets, drip the faucets? You don't have to tonight. If you know, the ground is very, very warm still. The pipes are fine. And we're only going to be freezing or below for maybe 3 hours. Pipes are totally fine. So you don't have to worry about any of that. Tender vegetation, the plants that are real sensitive to cold, that you do need to worry about. As we do go to freezing for many in North Texas tonight. Let's take a look outside. It's such a nice day. The sun is shining. It's really hard to complain with a day like this. Temp at 63 in Dallas right now. The breeze is a little bit on the higher side, so it makes it feel a little chillier. The high today was 64, which is 14 degrees cooler than the normal of 78. The low this morning was 48 degrees, and it'll get much colder tomorrow morning. And that's why we have that freeze warning in effect for parts of North Texas. Right now out of DFW, again, 63 the temperature with a north wind at 15. So here's the freeze warning. It does not include Denton, Tarrant, or Dallas counties, Johnson and Ellis either. It's areas east of Dallas and areas north, essentially 380. If you draw a line from 380 and you go north, that's the area that could see a freeze tonight. McKinney, you'll be down to 35. It'll be close, but rural parts of Collin County could easily get down to 32. Gainesville, Bowie, all included. Areas anywhere east of Dallas is included in a freeze warning from 3 o'clock in the morning to 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. So here's where the temperatures go tonight. Denton, 36, but then you go up to Sherman, 32. Bonham, 30 degrees. Paris, 30. Clarksville, 29. I mean, it's going to get very cold. This is really early for this. 27 degrees in Longview, 32 in Canton, 34 in Terrell, 34 in Waxahachie. And if we zoom into the Metroplex here, you'll see most areas are staying in the middle and upper 30s tonight. So no concerns for a frost or freeze. However, you can see how that freezing line gets awfully close. Rockwall, you're included in this, 32 degrees. Quinlan, 32. Greenville, 32. Celeste, also 32. Look at the record. The record is 38 degrees. Remember, these are taken at DFW. 38 back in 1989. The low tonight is forecast to be 39 at DFW, so we'll be 1 degree shy of a record set back in 1989. Near record cold tonight, and it just warms up big time after that. I mean, the lows on Wednesday morning, we've got temps in the 30s. Thursday morning, upper 40s, and then all of a sudden, it's back to the weekend warmth. 61 degrees on Saturday, the low of 65 on Sunday. Tomorrow's low will be the coolest since March 24th, and it will again be very close to the record set back in 89. If you look back historically at DFW and the number of freezes we see, we don't actually average one in October. It's pretty uncommon to actually see a freeze in October. We average 2 in the month of November. Our first freeze is typically the last week of November. December sees 8, and then by January it's 11. So that's obviously our coldest time of the year. 6 is how many we see in February, and 2 in March. So this is just the beginning. Tonight, 39 degrees. Near record lows tonight. North winds 5 to 10. Tomorrow, 68. A little bit warmer than today with sunshine. There's the next 10 days. We'll watch a system early next week, Monday, Tuesday. That could bring some rain into North Texas. Right now, confidence not overly high, so we have at least a 20% chance of showers and storms Monday and Tuesday. But you can see the warm-up, Morgan. We're back to 87 on Saturday.
All right, we're going to savor,
yeah,
savor
enjoy
these
it.
low temps. Thank you so much, Jesse.